Welcome back. For this video, make sure you are focused and ready to build a complicated circuit. First, you will need an active buzzer and 2 jumper wires. Attach one jumper wire from the shorter leg of the active buzzer to the GND pin on the Arduino UNO. Use the second wire to attach the long leg of the active buzzer to pin number 8 on the Arduino UNO. That's it for this lesson. If you need help, contact your instructor or click the chat button on the screen. See you next time.